At to sa kwarto ba, pangayon, tinapay, tubig. Sulat namin mong pangalan. Sulat ka di ako, taday lang.
And I would also like to thank the members of the Filipino community media who are here covering the event. Andrew of Pinoy Action News, Jeff Reyes, Sam, and for the Sam and Chris podcast. So I know we invited our other bloggers and influencers and members of the media to come and cover this event as well, so that more information will be disseminated. Our aim is that malaman ng lahat ng members ng Filipino community so that they will come and avail of these services. So at this point, we would like to extend our appreciation to the Al-Hilal management by presenting them a certificate of appreciation which will be led by Jiman.
So we would like to present the certificate of appreciation is awarded to the Al-Hilal Medical Center, Manama Central Branch, for collaborating with the embassy on the holding of the Pinoy Healthy Pinoy from August 2 to August 24, 2024, and for accommodating the conduct of the embassy's cultural competition at the Al-Hilal Medical Center, Manama Central Branch, Manama Kingdom of Bahrain, August 2, 2024. Event is second is August 2024 in Manama Kingdom of Bahrain. Signed, Her Excellency Angela Don Luis Campos. Muli, maraming salamat po sa Al-Hilal at maraming salamat din po sa ating mga kababayan na nagpunta support sa aking ito ng Al-Hilal at
Okay, can we have the rest of the embassy look at their Chang, Kevin, lahat na nakatulad ka. Celia,
Mga embassy.
tinatawagan po natin lahat ng taga-embassy po na maaari pumunta dito sa harapan para photo of Marcela with Al-Hilal. Salamat.
Monita na staff di ba sila? Naglisod, mangguan akong dibati. Lagi. Nana, muna. Labay niya ako ang kuwan.